Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Logitech G305 mouse. So basically what you'll need to do is just open this compartment, then just take out your battery. So just to remember, the plus should point the mouse back. And now what we'll need to do is basically unplug our dongle from computer or other device that we are using. And now what we'll need to do is press on these three buttons at the same time. So just press it like that and hold it for like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now while holding these buttons, now we need to put our battery. So it can be a little bit tricky, but just point the plus outside like that, and now just hold it for a bit. Okay, and that should do a hard reset for your Logitech mouse, and now you'll be able to put back your compartment, just plug your mouse and use it normally. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and see you in the next one.